For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
On July 22nd, Ishkaran Singh Bhandari called for a peaceful digital protest demanding justice for Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Ishkaran Singh Bhandari is the lawyer of former Cabinet Minister Subramanian Swamy, and he is personally looking into Sushant Singh's suicide case. Bhandari shared a tweet where he requested SSR's fans to light a candle in his name at 8 p.m. on Wednesday.
It was decided by today during my YouTube live that tomorrow all those who want justice for Sushant Singh Rajput will do peaceful protests and light candle at 8 p.m. Candle for SSR. This hashtag people decided for tomorrow. Tag me with pictures at 8 p.m. on 22nd July so I can retweet.
This peaceful digital protest was also a way of requesting the concerned authorities to initiate a CBI probe into the actor's untimely demise on June 14th. Ishkaran Bhandari got an unexpected response, and over 1.4 million people tweeted the hashtag #CandleForSSR. In fact, this was considered as the world's first ever digital protest in World for Justice to SSR. Many tweeted and posted pictures praying for SSR and demanding CBI inquiry. There have been so many cover-ups. It's time for the real, not real justice. Never be afraid to raise your voice for honesty, truth and compassion against injustice and lying and greed. Raise your voice and keep asking for justice till we get it. Cricketer Manoj Tiwari, who had also demanded for a CBI probe earlier, took to Twitter to thank all Sushant's fans. Manoj Tiwari thanked SSR's fans for participating in world's first ever digital protest for justice and for making it a success by tweeting over 1 million tweets in less than 5 hours.
Let me applaud to all Sushant Singh Rajput fans for participating in the first ever digital protest for justice. 1.11 million tweets in just 5 hours. It only goes to show that how much he is loved. Kudos to all his fans.
Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande also took to Twitter to participate in the digital protest. Hope, prayers and strength keep smiling wherever you are. Sushant Singh's fans are adamant for CBI probe, as many actors mysteriously died over the years, and every time the cases were either dragged or closed without any thorough investigation. This time, SSR's fans have decided to make sure that every concerned authority take this matter seriously and find the culprits behind his death, if any.